In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website in GoDaddy. Backing up your website is a smart habit because it gives you a safety net before making changes, updating content, or redesigning pages. If something goes wrong, having a saved version of your site can help you restore your work more easily. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find the backup area inside your GoDaddy website settings. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access your account-related options and the products connected to your subscription. From your profile section, click on My Products. This will take you to the area where all of your GoDaddy services are listed. Here, find Website plus Marketing. If you have more than one product, make sure you select the correct website you want to back up. After that, click Manage. This opens the controls for that website, so you can access the editing and settings options tied to it. Once the management page loads, click Edit Website. This will bring you into the website editor, where you can make changes and access additional tools for your site. Inside the website editor, go to Settings. The Settings section contains several important options related to your website's configuration and management. From there, look for Site History. This is the area that stores previous versions or backups of your website. When you open Site History, you'll be able to see different backups that are already available. This can be very useful if you want to review an earlier version of your site or return to a point before recent changes were made. If you want to create a fresh backup, click Create Backup. That way, you'll save your current version before making any updates. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to create a backup before editing design elements, changing text, updating images, or adjusting important settings. That extra step can save time and reduce stress if you need to undo something later. And that's it. Once you know where to find site history and how to create a backup, keeping your GoDaddy website protected becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.